My name is Michael Bayshard. I'm a priest of the Diocese of London, and I'm the chaplain and director of campus ministry here at King's University College. And I'm also a very proud alumni of King's. It's great to be able to speak with you today, albeit virtually. One of the great things about King's is that we're concerned with the well-being of the entire person. Your academic success is only one of the ways in which we hope to support you. And because we're in a Catholic community, we have committed a whole team of people that are here to help you explore some of life's greatest questions related to faith, spirituality, and service. So if you celebrate Passover or Easter or Ramadan, or if you're just looking to explore, know that we're here for you. Know that we offer a variety of opportunities to gather for liturgy and prayer. And if we're not providing you something that you're looking for, know that we will do what it takes to point you in the right direction. So whether you're looking to join a choir that raises funds for various charities, or you feel called to tend to the needs of some of the most vulnerable in our city, or you want to advocate for a more sustainable way of living, or you just want to talk, or you want a place to be quiet, campus ministry looks forward to being part of that journey.